Welcome to the Backcountry Health Rehab Library. Today we're going to be talking about bird dogs.
The bird dog is a great core exercise that requires stability and control in order to keep your hips and shoulders level while performing the movement, and also challenges cross-body coordination. Start on all fours facing the floor with your hands directly below your shoulders and knees directly below your hips. Before initiating the movement, take a deep breath in through your nose and a strong exhale out through your mouth, like you're blowing out your birthday candles on a cake. As you exhale strongly, you should feel your abdominal muscles engage and ribs knit in tight. Continue to breathe, but maintain this core braced position throughout the movement. From this starting position, extend your opposite arm and leg out away from each other, like you're trying to touch the wall in front of you with your hand and the wall behind you with your foot. Your torso should stay stable and level, as though you have a cup of hot coffee resting on your back that you don't want to spill all over yourself. Bring the arm and leg back to center and go again on the other side. A common mistake with this movement is to overarch the low back as you extend your arm and leg. There should be a slight natural curve in the lumbar spine, but keep your core in that tight braced position we started with in order to avoid hyperextending and dumping the load into your low back. If this movement feels too easy, it's probably because you are arching your back or rotating your hips and shoulders instead of staying tight and stable through the torso. You can progress this movement by continuously extending one arm and leg for the full number of reps before switching sides. For additional core engagement, tap your hand to the opposite knee as you come into the center before extending out again. Finally, to improve hip mobility and control, perform the hip rotation variant by keeping one arm extended and rotating the knee of the extended leg out to the side and then back down under your hip, drawing a continuous circle in the air with your knee for the desired number of repetitions before moving to the second side. Your hips and back should stay level and under control, as shown here.